All right, time for a little utility that I love to use in Windows. And that's because this is a Mac type feature, something that power users love to have. And it's about focusing windows and scrolling windows. One of the main reasons I can't stand full screen interfaces is if you look at my computer during a normal day, I probably have 15 windows overlapping, multiple web pages, calendar, email, maybe Photoshop, maybe something else, all these things layered together. And I can quickly just jump through them. Another thing that I really do often is if I'm writing something, I have to look at maybe a web page. So I'm writing a report, but I need information from a web page. And instead of leaving the word processor, going over to the web page and coming back, I like to have them all available that I can see them. It's kind of like if you sat down and had a conversation with your wife at breakfast. If it was based on full screen worlds, this is what it would be like. Morning, honey.
Morning.
How you doing this morning?
I'm doing pretty good.
That's good. Sleep okay last night?
Yeah, I slept pretty well.
I didn't snore you out?
Not last night.
Oh, that's good. Good coffee this morning.
It is good, isn't it?
And good cereal.
You gotta love Shreddies.
Yeah. Time to see what's up with rural life.
Honey,
Yeah,
can you take the garbage out after breakfast?
absolutely.
Thank you.
Now that's an example of real-world multitasking. This is something we take for granted every single day, how easy we interact with multiple things around us. This is not as easy when we get into the computer, and it's even harder in these stupid full-screen application worlds. Here's the same conversation in a full-screen mode. Morning, honey.
Morning.
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
That's good. Sleep okay last night?
Yeah, I slept pretty well.
I didn't snore you out?
Not last night.
Oh, that's nice. And good coffee this morning. I said good coffee this morning.
It is good, isn't it?
And the cereal. The cereal's good.
Gotta love Shreddies.
What? Yeah. See what's up with the rural news.
Honey,
Huh?
can you take out the garbage, please?
What?
Can you take out the garbage?
Oh, okay. Okay, you see why that's annoying? Yeah, I like to be able to have multiple things in front of me at the same time. So enter an amazing little application, little utility called KatMouse. Let's go have a look. So here it is. It's just a little utility that you can download. Just Google KatMouse and install it. You can have it show in the system tray. You can have it scroll one line at a time or a page at a time. There's a few other settings in here like the wheel button. So you may not have noticed, but your mouse, if it has a wheel, it probably has the ability to click. And in this particular instance, the default is to change the order of the windows, the Z order or the depth. You can also turn certain applications off if there's some issues, and then there's a few other settings that I never use. So that's basically it. And I just click OK, and let me just open up a bunch of windows that I would normally be looking at. So I've got a couple of, couple of web pages open. I've got a Word document here. And let's say that I was, working on this Word document and I needed to view something over here in this page while I was typing. Well, and maybe that thing was lower down. This is what I mean. This is a window that's in focus. This is a window that's in focus. And normally in Windows, when something is in focus, you can do something to it. I can't normally do anything to this window because it's behind. Enter KatMouse. Mouse over, scroll wheel. Mouse over, scroll wheel. And if I was in that other window, scroll wheel. Like whatever I'm over, when my mouse is moving, I scroll. It sounds like a stupid, silly little thing, but for me, in productivity, this is really important because I'm constantly manipulating different windows and viewing things and looking at them. I can't even begin to think of how many examples, but there's lots. I use this every day. So as soon as I install Windows on a new machine, KatMouse is one of the first things I install. They've got another feature that I'm not so hot on, but that's the Z order thing. So if I move my mouse, it doesn't matter where it is actually. I'm now clicking the button of my mouse and it's changing the Z order of those pages. So it's bringing them forward and backward without me having to select them somewhere else. So it might be a little thing to you, but to me this is really important. If you deal with tons of windows open at any time, then KatMouse might be the thing that you need to help you focus on your windows.